What's this UPSC? Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) is the recruiting agency for top-level central government jobs. Union Public Service Commission usually recruits only for Group A and a few Group B level bureaucratic vacancies. Group C and Group D recruitments are conducted by other agencies/commissions. UPSC posts list and salary. The Civil Services Examination (CSE) is a national-level competitive examination. The exam is conducted by the UPSC almost every year. CSE is also widely known as the IAS exam. UPSC CSE is for the recruitment of bureaucrats, civil servants/higher government officials, for three services under the Government of India: All India Services, Group A Services or Central Services, Group B Services or State Services. Salary for both GR A and GR B officers start from 56 Indian rupees, 100 excluding TA, DA, and HRA. The maximum monthly salary of an IAS officer can reach 2 Indian rupees, 50,000. For a cabinet secretary. But the salaries depend on seniority and position. Every year millions of Indian youth start preparing for the exam. But a handful of candidates can clear the exam because it is the toughest exam in the country and is unpredictable too. UPSC services list: All India Services, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Police Service,